Hi everyone, Anita Fanita here. Welcome to another episode of I Love Etsy List 3. I'm not sure which episode this is. I think it's either 8 or 9. I lost track. But I do have some items that I'm going to show you today that I've sold. I didn't sell anything yesterday. Yesterday was no sales at all. The ones that I'm going to show you are from the day before. And the reason is I didn't list anything yesterday. See, again, once again, it brings me back to you don't list, you don't sell. So yeah, so continue listing, and I'm going to show you the sales from the day before. Okay. And of course, I've written them down because I can't remember anything. Okay, this buyer got 6 items. They're here. Okay, one of them is the Swarovski star. And I don't know if you guys can remember. It's a cute little star pendant. And this one sold for $20. And then we have the garnet sterling silver earrings. This one also sold for $20. Then we have the sterling heart locket. And this one was from a few weeks ago. And it has cute little crystals on it in black and white. Very pretty. This one sold for $15. And this one was in my store for a while as well. I don't know what's going on with my tablecloth. It needs to be cleaned. Okay, so this one is an Avon pearl necklace. Not Avon, sorry, Monet. Monet pearl necklace. Very pretty. I love the clasp on this one. And this one sold for $15. Then we have the Avon brooch that I recently listed. Very pretty. And this one sold for $10. And we have this one here. That's the crisscross sterling silver ring with the little rhinestones. This one sold for $15. And with including the 20% off sale that I put in my store, everything totaled to $76, which is not bad. But it would have been better if I had listed things yesterday too, but I didn't. Okay, so we have next. Okay, we have 3 items that sold again to the same buyer. One of them was this ring here with the little balls. They're all attached together. See, they're attached right over here. This one sold for $12. And this necklace here, which is by Premier Design. Let me show you the one that sold. This one here is Premier Design. This one sold for $10. And it does have the little tag on here. And we have this one here. I love this one. I'm so glad somebody purchased this. I really wanted somebody to get this because it's so beautiful. This one sold for $15. It's an eagle necklace. So beautiful. It's a statement necklace. And I was shocked that it was in the store for a while. I thought this would be one of the first ones to go. So again, including the 20% off, all of these sold for $30 for all 3. And my total sales was $106. And again, I didn't sell anything yesterday. So I did list some stuff today, and I'll tell you what they are. Okay. This first one here, I did get a message for. Sorry, because it's getting all wrinkly here. I got to fix this tablecloth. This one here, somebody messaged me asking me to list it, and I did. It's liquid silver native necklace with turquoise chips on here. This one I listed for $18. I'm sorry. This one I listed for $12. It's 18 inches. Okay, that's number 1. Number 2 is purple capuchon. Okay. This one also I got a message for. And this is really nice. This one came out of the jar. I think it was yesterday or the day before. Really nice cabochon pendant here. And it has glass faceted beads. And this one is listed for $20 and it's 22 inches. Next one is gemstone necklace. This one here. This is very pretty. Look at this. It has all kinds of gemstones on here. I see amethyst, quartz, jade, also carnelian, onyx, any gemstone you can think of, name it, it's on here. and they're very large pieces too. And look how they're made. Very interesting. And then there's some other gemstones that I didn't say that I don't know. But this one here is 18 inches. It has a sterling clasp, and I listed this for $50. And again, it's going to be much less, including the 20% sale I'm going to put it on. So number 4, we have this one here that I got out of a jar recently. It's a statement necklace, and a lot of people commented about this, so I did go ahead and list it. Very pretty. And you can't, you know, the video's not doing it justice. When you see the pictures of it, you'll see how nice it is. And this one I did list for just $10. Okay, so next one is gemstone. Okay, this one here. I have no idea what these gemstones are, but they're very pretty. Look at the color. It's a green color. I'm pretty sure they're not jade. I don't know what they are, but they're very pretty. And they have these little, these pearls here as well, all in different colors. Very pretty pearls. And this is 17 inches, and I listed this for $40. Very nice one. I think somebody will be really happy with this one. Okay, the next one we have is, let's see, gemstone. Okay, this one here, again, another gemstone necklace. A lot of gemstones today. Okay, this one has jade, carnelian, and all kinds of goodies on here. But I do want to mention here that one of the stones has a crack on it, and I did mention that in the listing as well. It's this one here. It does have a crack on it. It doesn't really show because this is the side that shows when you wear it. I think it's a peach. And it does have this nice stone on here. I don't know what the stones are. And I really love the clasp here. It's a cute little jade butterfly. And it is three strands. And it does have some kind of silver metal as well. And again, these the video is not doing it justice. You have to see how they look in the pictures. Look at this. It's another kind of flower here. And I did see some other shapes on here too. Look at this one here. It's carved. And it's a very, very nice and interesting, really nice piece. And that piece that's chipped, if you don't want it to be there, which I don't have a problem having this on here. I wouldn't have a problem. But if you don't want to have it here, what you can do is go ahead and just break it off, and it won't even show that it was ever there. But I didn't want to break it off in case somebody wants it. So this one I listed for $25. Okay, so what do we have next? We have Avon brooch. Okay, I also had a comment asking to list this one here. It's an Avon brooch, gold tone with rhinestones. It's marked in the back, and I listed this one for $7. The next one is this charm bracelet. Well, it's a bracelet, but usually they use these to hang charms on. It's called a double link, and this is not the little tiny thin one. This is the wider one, the nice, you know, more substantial one. This one is 7.5 inches, and I listed it for $30. And it does say, and I did test it, and it is sterling, and it does say Italy on one side and 925 on the other. The next one I have is, okay, this one here. The Swarovskis did really well. I got a lot of sales on the Swarovskis. So I did list these Swarovski. They're kind of like hoops, shaped kind of like a moon. And they do have rhinestones on them. Very pretty gold tone. And they are marked with the swan in the back. And this one I listed for $12. And the next one I have is these two bracelets made out of gemstones. This one here is a carnelian. This one is carnelian stones, and this one is called black sandstone. And it doesn't really show in the video, but they have kind of like glitter inside of them. It's like glittering up. And these also come in a kind of like a brownish color as well, but this one is the blue one. So, and they are stretch bracelets, and they do have really nice strings, the stretch string in there, so they're not going to break. These two I listed for $30. And that's about it for today, guys. I hope you guys had fun watching. This is Anita Fanita. Oh, I'm not going to say goodbye yet. I have the next video I'm going to do is of this little jar that I got for $10. It says $19.99, but it was a white tag and it was half off. So I got it for $10, and this is what I'm going to do next. So stay tuned for that one. I hope you guys had fun. This is Anita Fanita saying goodbye.